It's sunny, and then it turns into a cloud of smoke. This is what happens to me. The rain falls down, and I don't know what to say. The rain starts to fall, and I go back and I go back. Rain is a thing. When you're a storm, it's like ooh, 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 ooh. It's like singing without a voice. It's like eating without a toy. It's like being a child without no toys. It's like ooh, my God, I think I found my soulmate. It's like ooh, my God, when you get dressed and finally get to go out, get on your palms, oh, then you get your makeup on, your hair done nice, then it starts to rain and ruins your night. It's like, ooh, ooh, ooh. Do you really want to be the one who stops and worries about the rain? Do you really want to be the one who doesn't dance under the stars? Do you really want to be the one? Do you really want to be the one? Or do you want to be? Or do you want to be? Or do you want to be everything? It's like being in the rain without water in the desert. It's like being in the sun without falling. It's like always depending on people beside for you. It's always about the eternity rain. It rains underneath the stars every day when it's stormy outside and it's cold and your fingers start to turn blue. It's all like oh, 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 when the rain starts falling. Ooh, 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 when you can't do nothing. Ooh, 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 when the moon starts falling. Ooh, 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 the rain, the rain, the rain. The rain's all about the patient. The rain's all about diamonds. The rain's all about your feet stomping and every little thing that you hold. It's about standing up to the rain and dancing in it like it's a tornado. What would you do?